Good morning from Penang, Malaysia. Today we're going to ENTOPIA, which is a butterfly garden. They have over 15,000 butterflies, over 200 species of plants, and lots of other insects and invertebrates. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Hey, Austin. Austin, are you ready to go to the butterfly farm? Uh-oh. Hey, Chris, where are we going today?
To the butterfly farm.
Are you excited?
No.
What's gonna be your favorite part?
Flowers.
Okay, we'll see you. ENTOPIA was founded in 1986 as the world's first tropical butterfly and insect sanctuary. Not only does it feature thousands of butterflies and other insects and reptiles, it also serves as an education center where you can experience hands-on learning. ENTOPIA has an indoor area and an outdoor area. Natureland is the outdoor area and is filled with tropical flowers and plants and butterflies that fly freely all about the space. As soon as you enter, you see the butterflies flying around.
That's the thing that we have to go with. 3 rods, 2. 1 full frog. No, Pac-Man frog. There's another Pac-Man frog somewhere. I see, where they see a Pac-Man.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Did you not even like leave, yeah?
See, I should have done a video.
Oh my god.
Can you tell how big that is?
What is this? As soon as you enter the Natureland area of ENTOPIA, you're greeted by so many things to see. Butterflies flying and so many beautifully landscaped tropical plants and flowers. At any time, there can be around 15,000 butterflies flying around and over 200 species of plants growing. There are so many interesting things to look at, and we could have easily spent over an hour wandering around. This area of Natureland is all about the life cycle of the butterfly. There's information about the stages all the way from egg to adult. The staff offers Vita Nova, or new life, at specified days and times. You'll witness the butterfly's first flight as it's released from the enclosure. Check their website for days and times. This was the children's favorite area in all of the Natureland. The butterflies were flying around everywhere, and they got so close to you. Oftentimes they would land on your arm or your fingers. The kids really liked this. Oh, look, it's a duck. Yeah, over here. Austin, what do you think of the butterflies, bud?
Yes, very cool.
Very cool. What's the prettiest butterfly you've seen?
The butterfly that eats.
The one that was eating?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was yellow and black.
That we held.
What's your favorite butterfly?
Megan, what was your favorite butterfly?
Holding the butterfly.
Holding the butterfly. The cocoon is the indoor learning area. It has 2 floors of exhibits and hands-on learning opportunities.
However, the songbirds are jealous and complain to the creator. The creator agreed that the songs belong to the birds and took away the butterfly's ability to sing.
Creepy things. Forest animals.
You made it in! Come on! You want to hear what I screamed about? Or
What?
see what I screamed about? I saw a man. but go up and see what they are.
Okay.
There's always
You're right, cockroaches.
Oh We're done with the butterfly farm, and I liked it a lot. So much that I want to come here the rest of the days you're staying here.
Austin, did you like the butterfly farm and
Yeah.
the insects? What was your favorite part?
I don't know. Are we staying here still?
No, I think we're done.
No.
This is the highlight for me in Penang.
It's
For
a
sure.
nice place, for sure.
Had no idea it'd be this good. It's not just butterflies.
Insects, flowers.
Bugs and flowers. And silly butterflies too.
Now we're leaving.
Bye, Austin.
Bye.
Mom, that big was through.
No.
Come in here, then.
So we came back from ENTOPIA. We really enjoyed it. Now we are at the swimming pool trying to cool off. It was very hot there. So yeah, we're just gonna stay here for a little while and then go have dinner. We will see you another time.